Alright friends, to get started on our tensioner pulley, we're just going to come right over here to the tensioner. Now this nub that you're seeing me get onto here is essentially a 14 millimeter, and we're just going to go ahead and turn this clockwise, and that's going to relieve tension from the belt area. After that, go ahead and slide it right off of the alternator here. Then you can get your tool out of the way. Next, we're going to move right to this center bolt right here on the tensioner. Use a 12 millimeter and go ahead and remove that bolt. Alright, we've got that nice and loose. Let's go ahead and grab onto that tensioner. Slide it up and out of here. To remove the pulley, I'm going to remove this 13 millimeter bolt that goes right through. There it is, friends. Okay, friends, it's time to install our brand new pulley. Let's go ahead and take that tensioner. Just going to put it right on there like that. Grab that bolt. Let's go ahead and start it in. Now we can snug this up. Give it a nice spin. Good. Okay. There we are. It feels as though it kind of wanted to latch right in there. Let's bottom out this bolt. Alright, once it's bottomed out, I'm just going to use a little bit longer of a wrench here. If you wanted to, you can try to jack up the engine a little bit to be able to get a torque wrench and a socket in there. It's kind of hard to get it in there, so once it's bottomed out, I'm just going to bring it a little bit further here. Make sure that's nice and tight. Let's get ready to get the belt on here. I'm just going to go ahead and get back down to this area. Relieve tension. Slide the belt onto the alternator. Release tension. Remove your tool. Now you just want to pay attention to the belt. We're looking at where the ribs are supposed to meet up with the pulleys themselves. If it looks as though the belt's kind of sliding off or off by one rib, you're going to potentially completely damage your belt and you're going to have to replace it. Just inspect it, make sure it's sitting perfectly all the way around.